In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make your Spotify music sound better. Whether you're using Spotify on your mobile device or desktop computer, there are a few tricks that can significantly enhance your music experience. So let's dive in and explore these tips together. When it comes to improving music quality on Spotify's mobile app for Android and iOS, there are a couple of things you can do. First off, the data saver. This feature is designed to reduce data usage while listening to music on the go. However, if you want to enjoy higher quality streaming, it's best to turn off data saver in the settings. By doing so, you'll enable a richer and more immersive music playback experience. Now, let's move on to audio quality. Spotify offers different levels of playback quality, ranging from low to very high. To get the best possible sound, make sure to set your streaming quality to very high. Keep in mind that this option is exclusive to Spotify Premium subscribers. You can access these settings in the app and customize the streaming quality for both Wi-Fi and cellular connections. Another aspect to consider is volume normalization. Music can often have varying volume levels, making it a bit inconvenient to constantly adjust the volume. That's where Spotify's volume normalization feature comes in handy. By enabling Normalize volume, all your songs and podcasts will play at the same volume level. Additionally, you can fine-tune the volume level to your preference, choosing between loud, normal, and quiet. Now, let's switch gears and talk about optimizing music quality on Spotify's desktop app. Just like on mobile, you have the option to adjust the audio quality settings. Head to the Settings menu and find the section labeled Audio Quality. From there, you can set the streaming quality to very high, ensuring the best possible playback experience for your music. Similar to the mobile app, volume normalization is available on the desktop version as well. By turning on Normalize volume, you can enjoy a consistent volume level across all your songs and podcasts. Additionally, you can further customize the volume level by choosing between loud, normal, and quiet options. Now, let's explore the equalizer settings on Spotify. If you're using an Android device, you can access the equalizer function by opening the Spotify app and navigating to the settings. Look for the audio quality section and tap on the equalizer button. Please note that not all phones come with a built-in equalizer. If you don't see the equalizer option, you can download third-party equalizer apps from your app store to enhance your audio experience. For Apple users, the equalizer option is built directly into Spotify. Unfortunately, there is currently no equalizer available on the Spotify desktop app or web player. While this was an idea that was explored in the past, it was ultimately decided not to implement an equalizer due to limited demand from users. By following these tips and utilizing the available settings, you can elevate your Spotify music experience to new heights. Thank you for watching.